Hello and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, I'm going to be answering the question, where can I create a free landing page? So let's jump in real quick. So there are a number of places that you can actually create a free landing page. Now, those of you that would be looking for a landing page, obviously you're doing some internet marketing or you have a business and you want to create a funnel that you will be able to come into your funnel, sign up, so then you can communicate with your potential customers, right? You can send them, value, send them free stuff, and then every once in a while when you have something of value to suggest to them, you can pass it along to them, and if they decide to sign up, then you get a commission for that. So, that's the basics of affiliate marketing and building an online business and brand. So, when you're getting started, right, you may not have a budget for an expensive funnel builder software. You've heard of ClickFunnels and Lead Pages and others. Builderall is another one. But they do come with kind of an expensive price tag per month, and a lot of beginners just don't have the $100 to $300 per month to spend on this. So there are alternatives that can get you started, and that's what this video is all about. So if this is something that interests you, stay tuned. I'm actually going to show you a really cool secret way that we can create landing pages with completely free software that anybody has access to, and it's actually creative because most people don't know about this. But I'm also going to show you that these ones right here, you can see on the screen, are free. You can go to Wix, and you can go to Site 123, you can go to Weebly, and this is not an exhaustive list. Of course, there are many others, but these are the heavy hitters that come to mind. And then last but not least, I'm actually going to show you a little bit of what you can do with Google Docs if you need to get something online and share that with other people, either on Facebook. You can use Facebook groups to get this out there. This may not be ranking on Google, but a lot of times when people are building squeeze pages and landing pages and that sort of thing, they're not expecting to rank those on a search engine like Google to bring in traffic that way. They're usually using paid advertising. They're usually handing this off on social media and maybe putting it in their YouTube description, a link to it and that sort of thing. So it comes with knowing that you're going to be providing the traffic for this stuff. So that's where the Google Docs that you can see over here actually comes into play, where you can actually use Google Docs to build landing pages, which is really cool. So I'm going to jump in. I'm going to show you some of these real quick, and then I'll show you the Google Docs method as well. So let's go. Okay, so we're here on Wix.com, and if you actually type in Wix, go to Google and type in Wix landing pages, this is the page that you will actually show up on, right? So they have a bunch of landing pages. You can sign up for a free account here, and you can select from a number of different, they have multiple pages of different landing pages, simple designs, simple landing pages. So you can actually just come in here and view the landing page. So this is what the landing page right here looks like. Just kind of taking you, and then you can also click on the full demo, and it's going to actually show you exactly what it is. People can put their name and their email, put a message, and contact you. Get a little bit of basics about your business, and you can also even get, they can get their phone number, and then you can actually come in here and fully edit this, right? So this works, right? So Wix is definitely a place. I recommend checking that out. But remember, there's going to be limitations in here. You may be able to integrate like MailChimp. MailChimp allows you to have a certain amount of subscribers for free, but you won't be able to email them because they only allow you to have like a couple thousand emails per month that are free without signing up for a free plan. So, it really gets challenging to run an online business or start an online business without spending any money at all, right? But you can get started for free, but if you're going to be serious about it, you are going to quickly need to at least invest in a couple different things, which would be an email autoresponder. I recommend GetResponse, and you can get started for $15 a month with that. So with Wix, and then there's going to be the branding piece, right? At some point, you're going to want to brand your own stuff. And with Wix, you're going to get a .wix.com website. So that would be another downfall. But Wix will work and get you started, so I recommend going there. Let's go ahead and check out the other one real quick. So we got Site 123. You can create a landing page here as well. And here's some of their website templates. You can check out all their stuff here and just kind of click on one and check it out. And then there's actually different ones. So like if we wanted to go with a business here, and then you can, they're going to take you on the path to start creating that. I'm not going to do that in this video, but there are landing pages. So create a landing page today. Maybe if we start. So here's where you're going to start. You're going to actually have to sign up and then go in. I'm not going to go into that in this video, but I know Site 123 because I did the research before this video. This is a good website builder that competes with Wix.com. So this is another one to check out. So I recommend checking that out. And then we'll go over here. This one's been around a long time. I'm not sure how many templates they have for landing pages, but this website builder has been around for a long time. So you can go to Weebly.com. And I just went in to the landing pages over here and see what kind of stuff they have. Check this out. But Weebly.com is another one that you can go and check out as well, right? So I'm going to show you my Google Doc method, right? So you need to get something up quick and running. This would be very customized too. So there's an advantage of doing it this way because it's going to be something that they don't see on a daily basis. And they might just stop to check out your stuff because it's different than all those other templates and all those other websites that they're building. So you can come in here and you can actually start. Anyone has access to this. You just go and with your Gmail account, and Gmail is free to everybody. And you sign up, and then you can go over there and you open up Google Docs. This is a document, right, from Google Docs. You can title your document up here. You can come up over here and put in a title right here. And for fun, we're just going to say, this is my new landing page. This is my new landing page. I'm going to go ahead and you could do different things right here. You can make the text bigger, okay? And you could bold it, and you could even put underlines on it, and you could change the text color. You know, another thing that we can do over here is we can actually come up here to File. We can go to Page Setup over here, right? And then we can change the page color, right? So if we want to go with a different color, let's just say we want to go with this like blue color right here. So then now you have this nice document, and you can have it just continuing to flow down, right? And if you have, for example, we'll come down here, and I have this product, and here are the benefits. So you can grab that, and it's just so easy to do this, right? Heading 1, you could put that in heading 1, and then you would have, you know, multiple benefits. Benefit A, benefit B, and so forth. Then you can do next heading, and then you could put in a form in here to get them to sign up to something that you want them to sign up to. You know, there's no end to what you can do actually. You can actually use this as a website builder, okay? So then what you can do here is, let's just say that was your heading right there, but maybe we wanted to get a little bit more creative and do something else with it. So you can come up over here and go into Insert, and then we're going to do a drawing. We're going to say New, and then I'm going to go ahead and do a shape. And it's going to be one of these shapes, and I'm going to go like this, that, and then we are going to make the shape black. And then what we can also do is also insert a text box right here, like that. And then what we can do is make the text is going to be white, and then I'm going to say, this is my awesome new landing page. All right, so this is going to allow you to, we can go ahead and go like that, and then you can make the text, we can make it bigger, right? So let's maximize this right to there, and then let's move this down a little bit. So then now you have a nice little button that kind of looks like a button. We can insert this in, right? So you can either do it this way right here, or you can even do it this way right here and create these, you know, create something that looks unique. And you could create a form, you know, sign up today, and there's different ways of building a form onto this, right? So then all you would have to do is, now it's titled up here, and all you'd have to do is come up over here to share, and you can grab, you just say get link, right? And make sure that this is, anyone with the link can get this, right? And then we're going to just say copy link, done, right? And I'm going to go ahead and just right click over here, open this up. And now you have this link you could take this link and go and create a bit.ly link for it, so then it's a nice clean link to share with everyone. And then now you have something that is, you know, an internet asset that you can now send people to that will actually check some of this, check your business out, right, and sign up under you. You can use another place called Jotforms to interlink it with this, so that if you want people to actually sign up, they could fill out a form on here and then get on your mailing list, right? So last but not least, the place that I'm using right now that is just the best funnel builder, quickest funnel builder, the most amazing funnel builder that I've ever seen. I've used Leadpages, I've used ClickFunnels, I even build my own landing pages on WordPress using Elementor. I know all about all the techie stuff. But this one is just so simple, and the most amazing part about it is the price. It is for an insane price. I can't believe that they actually give this tool away for this much per month. Considering those of you that know about ClickFunnels, the beginner plan costs $100 a month, and you're limited to 20 pages. And if you're going to be doing this full time, you're going to need more than 20 funnels. And once you make it to that point, then you're going to have to upgrade to their next plan, which is $300 a month. So this tool right here is only $25 a month. It's amazing. So if you click on the link below, you'll actually see, just click on it and you'll go over, and it's I got the domain teachmemoneymethods.com. I'm so glad that no one took that. You know, there's a lot of people out there that will go and find people's businesses and see if they've registered their domain name, and I had been putting it off a long time, and finally decided to go ahead and go, because I wasn't doing anything with it, go and buy your .com. So if you have a business right now, go and check and make sure that it's available and buy the domain. Even if you don't want to plan on doing anything with it for the next 12 months, it's only $8. Go to Namecheap. It's only $8. Secure your domain so you don't regret it later on. So anyway, click on the link below, go check out my landing page. You can do all kinds of animations on here, and right here, you just come in here, you go to create a new funnel, right? We can add a new step here. I'm going to create a page. Now, if I wanted to create a landing page, I'm going to look at all these different templates that this has, right? All these different templates, just crazy. If you have a webinar and you want people to sign up for a webinar, look at that. Webinar. You have lead generation, all these different things right here. You just want to collect people's emails. Landing pages are a little bit more extensive, show a little bit more information about your business. Look at all these landing pages. You can come in here and you can just you can preview what the landing page looks like, and I can install this template right here. I can install this template. This is what it looks like. Beautiful landing pages right here, done for you, ready to go. You can see what it's going to look like on a tablet. You know, it's all responsive. You can put a video in here in the background. It's just amazing. And then here's what it'll look like on a phone. Pretty slick stuff that you got here, right? And then this is a call to action. You can get people to sign up for it. So all you have to do is just push the select button, put in your, I'm going to put test in right there. And then actually it's going to be my website, and then test, right? And I have my website linked up to this. And then you're going to have this landing page right here. And then you're going to say it's public. I'm going to go, we'll just leave it right there. Use the alternative header and then add. So then now I can come in here and actually start modifying this landing page for and you'll click on the button, you'll go to edit button, and you can also go to next funnel step and assign this to what you want to. So you can see beautiful landing pages. Go check out the one that I built, my very first one. I had signed up for this funnel builder. I signed up, created that in less than an hour, and you know, I'm already getting people to sign up to that funnel that I created. So if you want to create a free funnel, go ahead and check out Wix, and go ahead and check out Site 123. But if you have, and you can go this Google Docs route as well, but if you have just a little bit, if you have $25 a month to spend on a funnel builder that does more than ClickFunnels, right? It's a fourth the cost. And if you're getting the $300 one, it's an eighth of the cost of ClickFunnels, right? So what this funnel builder is, it's the Home Business Academy, or HBA funnel builder. So what this is, it's a full online business in a box. It's a professional funnel builder software, which I just showed you. And then what's really cool is you don't have to use this. You can use this just for all the businesses that you have online. You need a funnel builder, right? If you're going to be doing this full time. But if you want to also take advantage of the business side of the Home Business Academy, they have the most insane monthly residual commission plan that I've seen from any company as well. They pay you 80%. So if you sell the funnel to somebody, if one of you goes and signs up underneath in the link below, if you guys go click on that and then you end up liking the funnel and the funnel builder software and you want to buy it for $25 a month, then the company, the Home Business Academy, will pay me $20 a month, right? So how many people would you like to sell the software to and let them know about this amazing software? And then the next month you start building a business and building a residual monthly income from this. So this is something you want to get involved with, right? You want to make money online and you want to do this, go check it out. This is the funnel builder that I'm using, that I'm dedicated to, and I'm going to keep using for months and years to come. Like I said, it's 1/4 to 1/8 the cost of ClickFunnels, which is the most popular funnel builder out there. It's like the standard. They set the standard for funnel builders. It's got more features for way less money. And you can also sell the funnel builder for 80% monthly commissions. This is the best tool and the best online business opportunity I have ever come across, and that is being completely honest with you. Check it out, link below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my next video. Take care.